Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I got mail today. I believe this is from HappymailStamper. It does say holiday card swap and raffle, so I believe that is what it is. I did send her some Christmas cards and she was going to swap and return them. So these are the cards I received. They come with the envelope, and if you sent 2 cards in, you got 2 cards back. You only needed to send 1 though. Look at how pretty. They are popped up Christmas trees, and the background paper is, it looks like an embossed, and with these jewels, rhinestones. Can you see the embossed? And then there's this trim that is printed Merry Christmas on it. Beautiful. And it says created just for you by Susan Noko. Hey Sue, this is my crafty friend Susan, Crafty Sue 519. She actually just won my giveaway, so thank you. And then another one. Oh, look at this snowman. And it's got joy here. It's got this layered snowflake and then clustered rhinestones. And there's like stickles maybe. Details. And then this is made, handmade with love by Patricia Vaughn, anchored in crafts. Her IG is Wanna Be Mermaid. So check them out. And this is my raffle ticket from HappymailStamper. Number is 2020014. Here's my evidence of my ticket. So yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate the different cards. And it's fun, you know, to get different cards back that you can use in your stash. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. Please like and subscribe and consider sharing. And until my next video, shakas!